Hello, welcome to Waterfilteroo YouTube channel. Hey there, if you've ever encountered the issue of your Samsung refrigerator leaking water onto your floor, don't worry, you're not alone. It's a common problem, and today, I'm going to share some insights and solutions with you. So, why does this happen? Well, your refrigerator has a pretty neat system. It goes through cycles of freezing and defrosting to keep your food fresh. During the defrosting process, ice inside the freezer melts into water, which is then supposed to flow into a drain tray located at the back of the fridge. This water should eventually evaporate due to the room's temperature and the heat generated by the compressor. But sometimes, things don't go as planned. The first issue you might encounter is a clogged drain hole. This can happen if foreign objects or ice block the drainage path, preventing water from escaping and causing it to leak inside the fridge. In this case, it's crucial to get a service inspection by a technician from Samsung. Unfortunately, it's not something you can easily fix on your own. Another reason for water leakage could be an overflowing drain tray. If you notice water collecting in the drain tray, it means the automatic evaporation process isn't working correctly. To address this, turn off the refrigerator and clean out that tray. It might just do the trick. Lastly, if you've checked the drain tray and it's empty, it's possible that the tray itself is damaged. In this case, you'll need to replace it. Reach out to a Samsung service center for assistance. Now, a couple of important tips to prevent these issues in the first place: make sure your refrigerator is placed in a well-ventilated area. Avoid opening the door too frequently, as this can affect its cooling performance. Regularly clean your refrigerator. A clean fridge is a happy fridge. By following these lessons and maintaining your Samsung refrigerator, you can minimize the chances of water leaks and keep your kitchen dry and your food fresh. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Stay cool and take care. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.